Tech has developed and manufactured the EPS machine since 1988. Tech has a variety of machine groups for any customer's requirement to produce the EPS and EPP. Pre-expander, block molding machine, EPS and EPP shape molding machines, cutting lines, silos, and all the related equipment. Tech review the customer requirement for developing, designing, manufacturing, and also for maintenance. Tech shall provide the best quality machinery in accordance with the customer's requirements. Tech will develop the technology to aim a goal of overcoming limits and being the #1 machinery manufacturer. Tech machines are highly trusted as a reliable machine by the customers throughout all over the world, even South America and South Africa. Tech has exported more than 3,000 machines to above 50 countries since 1988. Tech service team is always with you to support your production problems. Expanded polystyrene and expanded polypropylene are widely used in daily life and near your life. EPS is used for packaging, heat sound insulator, and cushioning. EPS is used mainly for packaging, civil engineering, construction, or architecture fields, while EPP is used as parts of a refrigerator and automobiles, etc. Tech highly advanced design technique is adopted to get the state-of-the-art machines such as 3D modeling, thermal analysis, stress analysis. Manufacturing processes are based on design to achieve the design requirement and service life. Every machine is tested before delivery to check and verify the manufacturing is same as design and customer's requirement. The pre-expander expands the polystyrene for block molding machine and shape molding machine. Especially, a two-stepped feeding system of raw material is used for rapid and accurate feeding of the EPS bead. The level master of the machine senses the expansion rate of the beads to keep the weight and expansion rate to be within requirement. Level master sensor can be positioned up and down, depending on the requiring expanding ratio. Pre-expander's expanding ratio can be very fine-tuned with the control of steam and pressure. When the machine doesn't work well, the steam line is blocked and air is automatically supplied to the vessel, thus prevents solidification of EPS. A touchscreen system also helps you great by giving the solution to a problem automatically. EPS block molding machine is an automatic machine for producing both standard-size styrofoam blocks and customized size blocks in accordance with the user's requirement. The molding machine eliminates problem of unmolded corners for the products with a two-step procedure of raw material filling, which helps the raw material can be filled more rapidly into the machine before it hardened. Slots by laser and SUS plate allow steam to be supplied more effectively. It is easy to maintain the machine because the metal seal is used in the connected parts of the steam and drain lines, and improved by a rail-type structure to prevent deformation of the machine. Tech's EPS and EPP shape molding machines are innovative products that use practical vacuum system to reduce energy and drying time for molded products. By using the vacuum pressurizing hopper, the machine saves raw material feeding time up to 80% and can feed even the tiny corners of the product with pressurized filling function. Saving cost and improving productivity is possible with a display touch panel that rings an alarm and shows the error on the screen at the same time. Tech's EPS cutting line can cut accurately and quickly for any size of EPS. Delta and Quadro electrode frames are installed in the line, and electrodes connection is automated for the first time in the world. Each frame can be customized to each configuration making it unnecessary reposition the cutting wires. Especially when changing the vertical cutting wire, the workspace is easily secured by the automatic movement of the conveyor. It's possible to control electricity delicately for each cut by using the customized dashboard. Since its establishment, Sunghoon has developed various systems and machines such as temperature control depending on the swelling ratio, fusion time alarm system, a recycling machine with continuous scrap feeding system, and a high-pressure sterilizer with shortened sterilization time, contributing for customers for cost and energy saving and product improvement. Sunghoon has supported our customers' successful businesses with its outstanding EPS technology. Sunghoon offers a total solution from the installation of a product, communication with a customer to produce and install the best quality products, through careful product management system, after-sale service, and training. We, staffs of Sunghoon pledge to evolve constantly to produce the best quality products for our customers. Sunghoon an innovative EPS system company, realizing customers' desire and imagination.